RPMs or miles?
Yes.
RPMs.
Now he's going to give it a try skiing here.
So I need to keep it on the RPM, but I keep that off so I can keep track of it. Because otherwise it doesn't show.
He thinks he is. He thinks he is.
Okay.
Here we got D1. It's his first day out. He's a beginner. Now we got Pitt driving.
Yeah. He hasn't hollered at me yet. Must be doing all right.
Are you going to go out again?
If I can. I don't know what the rule is for sunset. But if the sun's still up, I can go around.
Oh, this is... Oh, you know, I had the camera on. Whoa. Oh, that was ugly.
It's been a lot of times since we haven't come.
Down a little bit. Coming in, then now he's going to go out and trying to accomplish a flip. High probability he won't do it, but oh well. This is him. This is D1. Coming in, then now he's going to go out and trying to accomplish a flip. High probability he won't do it, but oh well. He's looking real pretty out there. He's concentrating, getting ready, getting in the mental state. We're not sure what mental state, but that was lucky, folks. He'll never do that again. Down a little bit. Whoa. What do you have to say about that?
Well,
the one was a lucky one?
I've seen him do better.
Put it back on autopilot and put it on 7,500.
7,500?
Yeah.
Okay.
75?
RPM we're talking.
No, not 75. You mean 35?
7,500?
Are you okay?
No. 2,700.
Oh, okay.
I mean, 27, put 2750 and just put it back on the
That's what happens. Doing them flips. Jarred his brain.
the speed's going up and down.
I've been keeping it at 28 pretty good.
Hey, you know what? He's been doing perfect. His speed is perfect. It's you.
When you're first up out of the water, we're speeding along, no doubt about it.
Are you ready? We can't talk anymore.
Some people are just never happy.
Yeah, I like the perfect pass. You can't get better than that speed control. Yeah. Woo! Oh.
What happened? I thought he had it.
Are you
I
ready?
think you're looking for excuses. You're not bullshitting me anymore. I'm driving good.
Oh man, the flag. Yeah. Come on, are you ready or not? He looks all happy out there. I don't know.
I think he hit his head.
You're the man. Straight. You're the man. Straight. He gets, D1 gets moody out there. Let off the throttle. Well, I was gonna say, let off the throttle. You could have saved them. That was.
No, he said he wanted it on cruise control, so.
The hell with it. Yeah, he doesn't like your driving. That's it.
But they want save yes.
He doesn't like you as the throttle man. The hell with it.
If he wanted me to let off, he would have said something.
Oh, that was good. Let up a little bit. Oh, you got it. Over to your left, man. He's a traffic control guy. He really wants to be a crosswalk duty guy, but they won't hire him. Bounce, bump, bump, bump. Okay, you got it. You did that to him on purpose, right?
Hey, man, I'm just driving the boat.
You know what the bad part of it is? The camera quit running every time you did a flip. I didn't get one of them.
I'm sure. You got me all the ones I felt. I would have probably got all those.
Oh, we got those.
Every time you did a flip, I said, that's Russ Reed. There he is, D1 coming out of his suit. This is the first time. So, anything you got to say?
I feel like the Michelin man when I'm in the water, but